This is the new 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Superlight 27 BHWS. This travel trailer comes in at just under 33 feet in length, and there is plenty of room to enjoy the outdoors with your family and friends. This floor plan offers double-sized bunk beds in the rear, a large U-shaped dinette, rear corner bath, front master suite, outdoor kitchen, and drop frame storage. This Flagstaff also has interior vaulted ceilings and a Wi-Fi booster so you can work where you explore. This 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Superlight 27 BHWS is ready for the great outdoors today. So come take a look. Your next adventure awaits at RV Travel World.